Hello everyone, I'm here. I got this furniture. It works for shoe rack organizer furniture. So as you can see, there are a lot of space to save shoes, and it works really well because you also have a space to sit it down and to change your shoes. As you can see, there have different racks, like you can just adjustable, and there's a lot of space to storage. There's a common storage area. There's an extra rock like down of the furniture. There's two storage drawer, so you can also save more shoes in there, or you can just use it for your clothes. As you can see, these furniture have a lot of storage, and also that I really like it is you can adjustable or remove the shelves, and also they have additional storage to when you move the drawer. One of the other things that I really love is they have a high quality materials for these kind of furnitures, and also is really modern, and the design is perfect for my home.